Today we explored density. All you need really is oil and water. You can also add in, like what we did for this one, we added in some syrup. I added some water to the cup, to this cup. Then I added water about halfway to the rest. And then the color that I added was one of these Crayola bath drops. Placed it in there. I think I did this one. And then you allow the reaction to go. Oil is less dense, it's on top. The water is at the bottom. Carbon dioxide brings that water up top and then brings it back down. So that's kind of cool. You can do that with one of these, or you can add this food coloring and then add alka seltzer. Alka seltzer does the same thing. So we'll do that in this one. So you can break it in half, place it inside, and you'll watch your lava lamp erupt. There you go. The magic of science. They can keep adding these little Alka-Seltzer. They can add the bath bombs, bath drops to make it cool, but they love it. It's great. For this one, we separated it into 3 sections. So if you can see it, I tried to add food coloring for the water section. We have the corn syrup, which is the most dense, so that's at the bottom. Then we have water, which is right in the middle. And then we have our oil, which is at the top. Oil always rises to the top. That's why it's slippery when you drive in the rain, because the oil's on the top, and then the oil from all the cars can possibly cause you to slip. So up here, the items that get stuck here have similar density than as the oil. So we have that plastic ball up here. We have the crayon, which is right on top of the water, but right below the oil. You can see it. The one that floated in the middle of the water is the grape. That's here. And then at the bottom, what sunk to the bottom is a nail, and I think I have a battery in there. Okay, so they're separated based on density. So you can explore the different densities of objects by the different densities of the liquids. So if the liquid is more dense, the object is going to be able to float in more dense. If the liquid is less dense, the object will be able to float up here where it is less dense. Okay, so that's easy, quick things that you can do with oil and water. And this one I did add corn syrup, but you could also just do it with oil and water and test which objects are a similar density as oil and water, and not add the third layer. I only added the food coloring in this one so that you can see the different layers. Maybe I'll use a different color next time, like red, but that's all I got.